Hi, I'm Jeremy Crosby.
And I'm Nick Boucher. We're your hosts for the program that's all about your city, Talking Fitchburg.
Every weekday, we pull together the news, events, and information you need to stay on top of what's happening in the city of Fitchburg.
Find Talking Fitchburg on cable TV, Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and our live stream on the web. Plus, you can find all our headlines and stories on Facebook, YouTube, and our video on demand service. This is your city.
Keep up with Talking Fitchburg and the issues affecting you and your neighbors.
Want to know what's happening in your city? Get Notify Me messages from the City of Fitchburg. Visit fitchburgwi.gov on your computer or mobile device and select the big Notify Me button on the left. Enter your email and/or phone number, whichever is best for you to get notifications. Scroll down the list and select all the topics you're interested in to receive email or text messages about. You'll be notified every time one of your topics is updated. Sign up for Notify Me, one more way to keep up with your Fitchburg government.
Good evening. I'll call to order this meeting of the Fitchburg Public Safety and Human Services for August 26, 2025, held in the Jeannie Seelig Room. We have our entire board tonight, Alder Detzler, Dantzler, Logan, and myself. I'm sorry, Donald. Public appearances for non-agenda items, we do not have any. So that takes us to the consent agenda, which includes approval of minutes and approval of routine licenses. Do we have a motion to approve? So moved. Moved by Donald. I'll note that there are, on the licenses, there are 3 new licenses and 3 are renewals. Any questions on this? Okay. Seeing none, we'll call the vote. All in favor of the consent agenda, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Aye. The consent agenda is approved. Next, we have item 4 alpha, sound permits, the 50th birthday party, the Reyes family, 909 Janesville Street, apartment 109, Oregon, for the 50th birthday party to be held at McKee Farms Park on Saturday, August 30th from 3 to 9 with amplified sound. We have a motion to approve.
So moved.
By Logan. This is a new event. Yanni Juarez, would you like to tell us about the event?
Yes, it's just a surprise birthday party for my aunt. It's just going to be like family and friends, and we're just gonna take like a Bluetooth speaker.
Sounds good. Sounds good, Yanni.
So it wouldn't be more, it wouldn't be like super, something like super loud. It would just be the speaker.
Sounds good. Yeah, we do get complaints from neighbors sometimes. The sound will carry, so Bluetooth speakers should not be a problem. Again, be respectful of the neighbors, and also be aware, that it is an open park, so people will be going by. So that's all I wanted to mention to you. Any other questions from the board?
I just would say hopefully good weather, and hopefully we don't spoil the surprise by having this meeting.
I'll second that.
Okay.
All right, I'll call the vote.
No questions.
Okay. I'll call the vote. All in favor of the sound permit for the 50th birthday party for the Reyes family, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
This is approved. You'll send her the permit in the mail, Tracy?
Yes, that'll be submitted to you through OpenGov, and so check your email tomorrow.
Okay, sounds good. Do I need to say it for the rest of the meeting, or
You
I'm
do
good?
not. You do not. You do not. Thank you for attending, and best wishes with your party.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Next, we have 4 Bravo, a birthday party, again, a new event. The Bybra family, 2608 Pheasant Ridge Trail, Madison. Birthday party to be held at Southdale Park, 160 Deer Valley Road on Saturday, September 6th from 3 to 9 with amplified sound. Do we have a motion to approve? So moved by Donald. Is anyone here to speak on this one?
They are not. They're unable to attend.
So the only thing I'll open up the board. Does the board have any members have any questions? Okay. If you could, this is a smaller park. And the thing I would add is that noise, there's apartments right next to it. And if they're booming, then everyone in the neighborhood has to listen to the party. So if you can ask them to be respectful of the neighborhood. This is the biggest complaint I get about the sound permits is happens in my park. And so if you could put a note about that.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Thank you, Chair.
All right, no other questions. We'll call the vote. All in favor of the sound permit for the Byra family birthday party, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Motion is approved. Next, we move on to 5 Alpha, review of the following license applications. National Senior Center Month. This is a recurring event. Consideration and application for sound permit. National Senior Center Month at the Fitchburg Senior Center to be held on September 12th from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. with amplified sound. Do we have a motion to approve?
So moved.
Moved by Logan. All right. We have the director of the senior center here. What would you like to tell us about it?
Just to come and enjoy. I think it's our third or fourth year, third year with the Red Hot Horn Dogs, and we do it outside on the patio. And they do have amplification, so it could get loud, but they do send the sound towards the police station. Food and drink available, and weather permitting. They really actually play from 5 to 8, and there'll be a break in between there. But it's a lot of fun, and hopefully the weather is good, as we've been lucky in the past. So we'll keep it outside. If it rains really hard, we'll have to make a last-minute decision to move it inside or not. But that is a loud band to bring inside. So, so just come on over. It's a fun way to celebrate and just have a good time.
Yeah, I attended last year. It was great. It was a fun band.
It is a fun
And
band.
I'm not going to give you any admission on the sound, because I had to walk home, and I was quite a ways down Fish Hatchery, and I was still enjoying the music.
I don't disagree. We had people walking from the Great Dane that came all the way down because they followed this sound.
Yeah.
So hopefully people will enjoy it. Versus like it's too noisy.
I have no comment on the sound. They're a great band and they're fun.
Yeah.
Okay. Any questions, Donald? Logan? Seeing none, we'll call the vote. All in favor of the consideration application sound permit National Senior Center Month, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
It is approved. Joe, thank you for coming.
And in case Roger's got questions about where we're going to put the alcohol.
Looking forward to a good event. All right, the next one we have is 5 Bravo, approval of temporary Class B picnic license, beer and all temporary operators licenses for National Senior Center Month, Fitchburg Lions Club, 2935 South Fish Hatchery Road, 312 Fitchburg, for a National Senior Center Month celebration to be held at the Senior Center September 12th with beer sales from 5 to 8. This is temporary operator's license for these characters, Roger, Tess, Sean, and Greg. Gregory Boomer. We have a motion to approve. So moved by Don, a little bit of a shady crowd.
Cleaned up that beer, Roger.
Any comments here? You were here last year when we approved it.
This is the first year for the Lions Club doing the beer.
It is for the Lions Club. Okay.
The Friends used to do it, right?
Okay.
Right? Yeah. So,
All right.
and we're going to keep it inside. Well, we might put it outside.
Okay.
We have a tent, and it will be on that. There's a little small driveway right next to up on the patio. So we'll do all the sides so nobody can come in from behind. And then it will be just outside on the patio. Otherwise, Roger will be inside in the kitchen. But we're also serving pulled pork and hamburgers from the kitchen. So just a heads up.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Good. All right. Any questions? All right.
And I'm available for any questions.
We have none for you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you for supporting this event too.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll call the vote. All in favor of the approval of temporary Class B picnic license, beer and all temporary operator licenses, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
We are approved.
All right.
Thank you.
Hope to see you guys there.
Thank you.
Good. Have a good rest of the night.
Next announcements, our next meeting is September 9th, 2025 make it, let me know. At this time, I would entertain a motion to adjourn.
So moved.
Moved by Logan. All in favor of adjournment signify by saying aye.
Aye.
We are adjourned at 6:40.